In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews to your Shopify store. Product reviews build trust, increase conversions, and give you valuable feedback. We're going to install a review app, place its widget on your product pages, and set up automatic review requests so feedback rolls in without manual effort. First, install a review app. Head to the Shopify App Store and search for product reviews. You'll see popular options like Farah, Judge.me, and Yotpo. Choose a reputable app that fits your needs and budget, then click Add App. Follow the on-screen prompts to install and connect it to your store. Most apps will ask for permissions and guide you through a quick onboarding so they can access your products. If you're unsure which app to pick, look at ratings, pricing, and features like photo reviews, Q&A, and moderation controls. When the installation finishes, your app is ready to provide a reviews widget. Next, add the review widget to your theme. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your current theme. Open a product page template so you're editing the layout for individual products. In the left-hand panel, click Add Block or Add Section, depending on your theme. Scroll to the Apps or Applications area and select the Reviews or Rating block from the app you just installed. Drag and drop it to the spot you want, then click Save. A common setup is to place the star rating near the product title and the full review section beneath the description. Keep spacing consistent with your brand style, and make sure it's easy to find without scrolling too far. Finally, set up review requests so customers are invited to share feedback after they receive their order. Open your review app's settings and enable automatic email or SMS requests. Choose timing based on delivery or a suitable post-purchase milestone. Give customers enough time to use the product, but not so long they forget. Customize the message to match your brand voice, keep it short and friendly, and make the review button obvious. Many apps let you include order details automatically, so the customer doesn't have to hunt for links. Decide whether you want to manually approve new reviews or automatically publish them. Manual approval gives you more control, while auto-publish speeds things up. You can always adjust this later. Once you save your settings, your store will start collecting reviews on autopilot. And that's it. Install the app, place the widget, and automate requests. With this setup, you'll have social proof where it matters most, and a steady stream of feedback to help you improve.